Hello, this is Micah McKinney with my final individual progress report. User story. As a web user, I want to create equipment so that I can use the equipment for projects. Here we have the equipment creation sequence diagram. We have the web user, the UI, and the database. First, the user clicks on the equipment link. A request is sent for the equipment list to the database. The database returns it to the UI. The user is redirected and shown the equipment list. Next, the user will click on the Create Equipment button. They are redirected and shown the Create Equipment page. Once they fill in the proper things, they'll click on the Create Equipment button. The equipment will be created within the database. A request will be sent to the database for the updated equipment list. That will be returned, and the user is redirected and shown the equipment list. User story. As a web user, I want to edit equipment information so that the information can be up to date. Here we have the equipment edit sequence diagram. Again, the user will click on the equipment link. A request is sent to the database. The equipment list is returned, and the user is redirected and shown the equipment list. From there, the user will click on the edit button. The user is redirected and shown the equipment edit page. They'll edit the information and click the edit equipment button on the UI. The equipment will be updated within the database, and the equipment list will be requested and returned to the UI, and the user will be redirected and shown the equipment list. User story. As a web user, I want to add to the list of equipment types so that I can manage my equipment better. Here we have the equipment type creation sequence diagram. You get to it the same way. The user will click on the equipment link. The UI requests the equipment list in the database returns the equipment list to the UI, and the user is redirected and shown the equipment list. From that page, they'll click the Create Equipment Type button. The user is redirected and shown the Create Equipment Type page. They'll fill in the new equipment type, click the Create Equipment Type button. The new equipment type will be created in the database. A request is sent for the equipment list. The database returns the equipment list and redirects and shows the equipment list to the user. Thank you very much for watching.